Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 5 camera tips for your Realme 11. So first of all, you can simply click on the screen to adjust brightness level manually. You can increase or decrease the brightness level. You can also do this automatically by tapping once. Next option you can next option you can find right here in the right upper corner. Go to the settings, and here you can go to the shotting methods and find option tap to capture. So right now you can also take the photos by clicking on the screen. You don't have to press on the shutter. You can also take high resolution photos thanks to this 108 megapixel mode. If you want to adjust more parameters of your photos, you have to open the Pro mode, where you can find all of the parameters like ISO, shutter level, shutter speed, exposure, compensation, focus range, white balance, photo format, that's the shutter delay, flashlight, and also the aspect ratio. And the last option will be also in the more modes, that's the dual video mode, that allows us to record videos from the two cameras at the same time, as you can see from the selfie and the rear camera. So you can do this like that and switch, for example, the preview to get the picture in the picture. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.